Welcome to module 3, which is business process management and measures. So in this module, we will discuss about the process management perspective. First of all, we will try to define what is a process, and then we will define the process as a problem solving strategy, which we already discussed when we will try to define Six Sigma as a philosophy. So we define Six Sigma as a philosophy in terms of a IPO diagram, which is input process output diagram, and we wrote in the perspective of y is equal to f of x, where x's are basically the input factors, or you can say the causes, whereas the y is our response variable, or we can say our KPI, or a critical to quality. Okay, so we will discuss what's the output and outcome. Okay, mean we will try to define what's the difference between the output and outcome, and on what basis we can define our KPIs or our critical to quality. So as well as we will discuss based on the outcome how we can define the outcome in a better way. So we will discuss the critical to quality tree. So how we can develop that tree diagram in order to define the critical to quality, or we can say the key performance indicators. And then we will discuss different types of measures which we can use to quantify the performance of our particular process. Okay, whether it would be beneficial for us or not, based on those financial measures as well as quality cost measures. So thank you so much. See you in the next video, in which we will discuss these topics in detail.